is the 9th of June 2021. Here's Tupavuori 3, staircase A. And this is the first staircase in this residential building. It was built in 1978 by ValmetSchlieren. This has to be early 1978 and was probably built with the metro in mind because it should have been finished in August 1977 originally, but it was delayed by 5 years. The serial number is VS 5185. It will be inspected in next year, 2022, turning 45 years old in 2023. And we have filmed all the staircases except the staircases B and D, but we will also get them because we have the code here. Now let's try it. Yeah, but it was easy and inspected by Kiva Inspector. But luckily it's the computer original, not generically modernized.
Yeah.
Ja, this is Kulosaari, Brändö, Helsinki, Finland. Second right. Thank you very much for watching it. Yeah, this is indeed like one of the metro housing heritages here. That's it.
That's